on. So, Ms. Goodson, I think we can go on the record. And I'll make a brief statement and we'll do introduction of everyone present.
Very good. Go ahead.
All right. Okay, so this is in the matter of the Continental Divide Electric Co-op petition for ETC designation for a limited purpose. I'm not sure if that's exactly the caption, but Ms. Goodson, you have the caption page. This is docket number 20-00127 UT. This is the hearing for the first phase of this proceeding, which is the determination of whether Continental Divide should receive ETC designation for the purpose of the broadband program, for eligibility for the broadband program. I am Russell Fisk, Associate General Counsel for the New Mexico Public Regulation Commission, and I'm the hearing examiner in this matter. And if we could just go and have first the counsel state their identities for the record, and then we'll go through the witness. I guess we only, well, the witnesses, and then Isaac, and that will be it.
This is Dan Najjar appearing on behalf of the applicant, Continental Divide Electric Cooperative, and our witness will not be available today, is still quite sick, but we do have Ms. Venable on the line.
Okay, thank you.
This is Mike Moffitt. I'm an attorney for New Mexico Exchange Carrier Group, an intervener in this action.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Moffitt.
And I am Joan Ellis. I'm the staff attorney for telecommunications. And our witness today is Michael Ripperger.
Okay, notice we also have Mark Cesarich on the line, but is he on the line, Joan, just to listen in?
Yes, he is.
Hi, Mark.
Hello, everyone. Thank you.
Okay, and Ms. Venable.
Donna Venable, Continental Divide Electric Cooperative.
And we already did you, Mike. You already did yourself, right? You got it. We did. Okay, thank you. And we have also Isaac Sullivan Leshin, our paralegal in the Office of General Counsel. And so everybody's present, and I think we can go ahead and begin the proceeding as agreed to at the pre-hearing conference on Monday, and as ordered in the pre-hearing conference order that came out of the pre-hearing conference. Let's see. I believe, well, we would start with Continental Divide, and Mr. Najjar, everyone will recall, at the pre-hearing conference, I, as the hearing examiner, ordered that Continental Divide could submit the written testimony of William Dixon that had already been filed in this case. As Mr. Dixon is not present because he remains ill, it can be admitted by a motion. So, Mr. Najjar, I'll hand it over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Hearing Examiner. Actually, what I would like to do by motion is move the admission of what we have marked as 3 exhibits. One, I'm not sure really needed to be an exhibit, but they're marked that way. So I'd identify them for the court reporter and then move them in if there's no objections. And if that's okay with you, I'll proceed.
Yes.
No objection.
No objection.
We would have marked and would move the admission of Continental Divide Exhibit 1, which is the verified petition of Continental Divide Electric Cooperative, Inc. as a competitive local exchange carrier for designation as an eligible telecommunications carrier for limited purposes. We would also move the admission of CDEC Exhibit number 2, which is the prepared direct testimony of William Dixon with several attached exhibits. And we would finally move the admission of CDEC Exhibit number 3, which is the prepared rebuttal testimony of William Dixon. Thank you.
Are there any objections to the motion?
No objection.
No objection.
Okay, then the motion is granted and the 3 exhibits are admitted. And so, Mr. Najjar, I guess my understanding is since there will be no witness, we will move on to staff's witness, Mike Ripperger. Is that correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
that concludes our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, excellent.
Yes, and staff moves the admission of Staff Exhibit 1, which is the prepared direct testimony of Mike Ripperger.
Are there any objections to the motion?
No objection.
No objection.
All right, Staff Exhibit 1 is admitted. The motion is granted. All right, and so, so Joan, I guess my understanding is, so Mike will not be, there isn't anything really for Mike to do at this point. Is it's been moved into evidence. Is he going to be adopting it today, or, I mean, it's fine with me if we just move forward this way. I just want to understand how you're proceeding, Joan.
Oh, I think that pursuant to our pre-hearing conference, we're just proceeding by, waving cross and just having the witnesses and their testimony as part of the record.
Okay, that's fine with me. So presumably, Mr. Najjar, Mr. Moffett, you have no questions for Mr. Ripper.
We have no questions, and we would be agreeable to moving his exhibit and his testimony into the record.
I don't have any questions either, and I have no objection to entering his testimony.
Okay, excellent. So that testimony has been admitted, and I guess we are finished with this hearing. Yeah, these have been very easy hearings so far. My understanding is obviously from the written testimony that this portion of the petition, the first phase of the petition regarding this ETC designation for broadband program purposes, is uncontested. And so, as I have done in 2 of the other similar petition hearings, I'm planning on issuing a recommended decision that would grant this portion of the petition. I'll probably issue it next week. And I would ask if the parties would agree to waive exceptions so that it can be placed on the agenda for the next commission open meeting, which is October 21st. There will be no commission open meeting next week.
Continental Divide would waive exceptions.
Okay.
So it's staff.
And MECG will also waive.
All right. Well, with that, we can conclude the hearing.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. And
Thank you very
please,
much.
please
Thanks,
keep
everybody.
us posted about your witness and how he's doing.
Yes, I'll
Yes,
have
ma'am.
Donna, please convey to William everybody's best wishes and concerns.
Yeah, please.
Yes. Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Good seeing you, Dan. Say hi to your family.
Take care, Mark. Thanks.
Bye, everybody.